In version 2.0, we introduce a very new and powerful engine, which is called Bitmaps. So it helps us to create some content, especially images or video, and map it to our selection grid. Let's see how it works. We open up a new pool, and in the data pools, we can find the bitmaps. And the workflow is quite simple. You define those bitmap objects and select the content, and then you just assign this bitmap object to a selection in your selection grid. So first of all, we added a new bitmap object, and we can see two different parts of that window. First of all, we define the content in this row, and below you can see a fader section where you have some settings to control XY position, zoom, aspect, rotation, and also the color of your content. So let's see, we import some content. You can see you can use images, but you can also use videos. And the good thing is we have some predefined content available in the software directly for you. So we just import a source, which can be a file in this case, but, and this is one highlight, it can be also an NDI stream. So imagine you have an NDI stream coming into your system, then you can map this NDI stream directly to fixtures in your selection grid. But let's continue with the file because we have some predefined here. We choose the import button right here. And then you can see three different files we can choose from. So let's take this moving ring, for example. We import that and we have the file available in our bitmap object as our content. So we can just close this editor and we select some fixtures. In this case, we have an LED matrix here, which you can see. Important is that the fixtures are placed in the selection grid because the selection grid defines our canvas, so our output for the bitmap object. And then we just have to select the bitmap object over here. And you can see we have some content directly running on our LED fixtures here. So simply define a bitmap object, get some content in there and assign it to fixtures in the selection grid. Have a lot of fun with this powerful new bitmap engine.